Guys, this is not a review. Obviously, I can't install them right now and test them. But just an unboxing of the cheapest forks I could find on Amazon. Triple trees. Pretty much designed for gas bikes and e-bikes. The reason I got it is because it's all steel and the fork crowns are steel. So you don't have to worry about, well, you still got to mount your hub motor in a way that's not going to spin out. But on the aluminum forks, I've had in the past. I've had these crowns just snap clean off as soon as I go to start and take off. Luckily, I've never had that when I've been in mid-ride, but I have had it when I go to start up and I end up snapping the crowns right off. Anyway, this is all steel pretty much. Even the down tubes are all steel. The only thing that's aluminum here is the actual crown and this tube here, which the inner diameter is 1 millimeter and the outer is 44 something millimeter, or 1 inch in the middle and then 44 millimeters on the outside. The reason I bought them is I'm going to be modifying this. Obviously it's not going to fit my bike because mine is the old threaded, and it's a 1 inch tube or steerer tube. So this has to go. Basically going to get another set of forks that's longer, threaded, and remove this or cut it here, and then hammer the 1 inch into the crown here, drill a hole through it to hold the tube in, and then I'm going to weld it on the inside. I'm going to leave the flange from the old tube there, hopefully, and just slip the one inch tube into it. So it'll be bolted and welded. It's not going to pull up, and then I can thread it from the top. And it will work, because you can't buy them threaded like this. It's just that it costs $300. This is a $70 set of forks, which is pretty good. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what the side looks like. CDH power. A little bit of scuffing on the brake mount there. A lot of scuffing. It almost looks like it's been used. Well, not that I care. There's no scratches on the actual tube itself. The only thing you have to do with these is you gotta once in a while drop a little bit of 3-in-1 oil in there just to keep it lubricated, or else it'll scratch up and start to wear. But other than that, I've had them before. They're fine for hub motors. These got to go, these bumpers here. But we're going to just do a quick overview of them. If you're looking for, I'll leave a link in the description. It's about $75 plus shipping, which is dirt cheap for anything resembling a triple tree. Later, guys.